You always failing.
I missed it this time.
You always missing it.
Okay.
Hey, see, that reminds me. I was going to tell you the kind of man that I like.
Okay.
I like men that are hardworking.
I like men that are neat and intelligent.
Intelligent. Like English teacher, right?
No? Why are you suggesting English teacher?
And because he's very intelligent and then he speaks Queen Elizabeth English.
Oh, wow. Okay, then.
Good day, English teacher. We just mentioned your name.
I hope it is for good that you mentioned my name. Oh, I can see you girls are playing.
Yes.
All works and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So girls, play. But do not gossip nor quarrel. That can lead to exchange of blow like uppercut or stretch punch, which could pull one's canine or incisor, giving that person a Dracula set of teeth, which may lead a child into convulsion when you laugh with your mouth wide open, like a shark trying to swallow its prey. So pretty girls, I advise, I admonish, I propose that you play in pari passu. I beg to take my leave. I zoom off.
Pari passu.
That man is very intelligent too.
I